Hey there, today we are going to look at some statistics within math, specifically measures of central tendency, which includes mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, let's begin. First of all, I want to look at these 5 numbers that we have on our screen, and I want to look at the mean. What is the mean? Well, the mean is commonly known as the average. To find the average, we are going to take all 5 of these numbers, add them up, and then divide by the number of numbers we have. So in this case, we're going to take 16 plus 19 plus 12 plus 15 plus 15. And if we put that into our calculator, we're going to find that is a total of 77. But we're not done yet. We need to divide it by the number of numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So let's take 77 and divide it by 5. And when we do that, we have a number of 15.4. Okay, so let's continue. Now we want to look at the mode. What is the mode? The mode is the most frequent number that you see. In this case, we have 2 15s here. So 15 is our mode. Last of the 3 M's is the median. The median can always be thought of as the middle. So to find our median, we're going to take these 5 numbers that we have and put them in order from smallest to greatest. 12, 15, 15. And it's also a good idea as you go is to cross out the numbers that you've already done in case you have many numbers to go through so you don't miss one. So we have 12, 15, 15, 16, and 19. Now we have them in order. What we're going to do is look at the first and the last and cross them out and continue doing so until we get to the middle number. Here we have 15. 15 is our median, which is also our mode. That's just a coincidence. All right, now the last thing we want to look at here in our measures of central tendency is a measure of spread. And that measure of spread is called the range. The range is taking the maximum number and subtracting our minimum number. In this case, we have a maximum number of 19, which we see here, and we have a minimum number of 12, which is right here. So we're going to subtract 12 from this. And our spread here in this group is 7, our range. Okay, so let's try another example. Let's find the mean of these 6 numbers. To find the mean, remember, we are actually adding them all together. And when we add them all together, we get a total of 134. And then we are going to divide by the total number of numbers we have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to take 134 and divide it by 6. When we do that, we have 22.3. We also want to find the median. Remember, the median is the middle number. And in order to find that, we need to put these in order from smallest to largest. So, to do that, we're going to take the number 18 first. I'm going to cross that out here, and we'll find the next number that's in line, which will be 20. Then we have 2 23s. Cross those out. We have a 24 and a 26. Okay, So now we have them in order from smallest to largest, and we are going to actually eliminate the smallest one and the largest one until we get to the middle. When we do that, because we have an even number of numbers here, we have 2 that are in the middle. Normally what we'd do is we'd add those 2 together and divide by 2 to find the average. So 23 plus 23 equals 46, and then we divide that by 2, which happens to be 23 again. If they were not the same number, it would be the number that's in between the 2 numbers that you just squared. So here we have the median being 23, the mean being 22.3, and the mode, which is the most frequent number, which also happens to be 23. For the range, we're going to take the maximum minus the minimum. The maximum in this case is 26. And we're going to subtract 18 from that, which gives us a range of 8. So our spread is 8. So today what we learned was finding the mean, the mode, the median, and the range.